new fidget toys that have just been updated. First, Poppet. And what has a Poppet been updated to? A dimple Poppet. And yeah. So yeah, these are the updated version of a Poppet. Next we have a stretchy skirt. They have been updated to monkey noodles. Next we have a crackling squishy to a shaggy Neato, or just a Neato. Next is Twisty Pets. This used to be really popular, to a Tangle.
Hey,
And I'm going to be showing you my favorite fidget. So I would say my favorite fidgets are definitely, seriously, these. So that's my weird dad in the background. So I really like this. It was $5 from Kmart. This was $8 from eBay and $10 from eBay. So yeah. If you want any more videos, then like. Bye guys.